guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I got to install. It's something that I've been wanting to do for a while, ever since I got the truck. I mean, obviously I only had it, this is maybe 10 days, but it's something that I've wanted to put on the truck ever since I saw the truck for the first time. And when I ordered, ordered the truck or whatever. But it's something that I always wanted to add to it. So let me turn this camera on. One thing that I always liked about the Jeep, obviously this is not a Jeep, this is a Bronco. But one feature that the Jeep did have, that's this here. That's this here. This is the third brake light that goes in the middle. So it's something that I always wanted to add to this ever since I saw it. Obviously we got the tail light, the brake light that's up top, but I always wanted one here in the middle. And Jeep, ever since, seeing Jeeps and things like that and seeing some of the older Broncos, I noticed that they didn't have this on there, but the Jeep did. So this here is actually a Jeep part that I'm going to modify to make it work to go on here. This is the Jeep spare tire brake light. This is everything that comes in here in the kit or whatever. So it's everything there. So these are the instructions. Obviously I'm going to have to modify it a little bit to get it to work, which shouldn't be too big of a deal. So go ahead and get into it. Let's get this tire off. Let's get the modding. The tool I'm going to need is going to be here, which is a spare tire or whatever. So it's should just be this here, just a crowbar. So this will be the only thing that I need. As you guys can see, it doesn't take much to get those off. But this is the piece here. Well, part of whatever. And it needs to go on like this. So it needs to go on like this. So I will have to drill holes to put it in. So one hole will go in and the other one won't. So you just get the hole lined up and get your marker so you can actually mark where the next hole is going to be. So got my holes marked. You get yourself the drill stepper. Just go easy. So you got the hose drilled out so it can fit. We got the wire up top. It tells you on the back that it needs to be up. That it needs to be up or whatever. So it tells you on the back. The four that you need to remove are 1, 2, 3, 4. Using this is a T30. So just use that to remove these. Those 4 taken out. Over here. To pull this out here so you can expose the wire. So the wires you're going to tap into actually sits in here. So this wire here is just going to run it down and through here. So that way it can just tap into that wire. So I went ahead and cut the wire. That's a long wire. So I can expose the ones here. The blue and green one are for the turn signal. I don't really care about that. I just need the red and black for the power, for the brake or whatever. That's the only ones that I need. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, if I would have did the other ones, I would have to, run it through the vehicle, and I'm not doing all that. The only thing I bought this for was just for the light to light up. So in order to get that wire tapped into this, I need to take these bolts off as well. These are T25s. Just take those apart. So once you get those taken off, you just pull that apart. All right, pull apart a little quicker than what I thought it was going to do, but get that taken off so that way you can get to the wires with this back here. The way that I'm doing mine, most people, they'll take, you know what I'm saying, they'll take this off because the harness sits here, so you can just unplug the harness or whatever. So what I'm doing is I'm actually tapping into mine and just having it hidden like behind here, because I still want to utilize the top part as well. You know what I'm saying? Some people do the delete. You know what I'm saying? Because I mean, to be honest, it will save you a little bit more room looking out the back window. You know what I'm saying? Because it sits about this high. You know what I'm saying? But to be honest, if you're actually looking, you can't really tell because it's the middle seat or whatever sits so high, so you can't really tell. But I just want to try it out, tapping into that and then having this plugged up at the same time and see how I like it. If I don't like it, then I can always just delete this, you know, today or later on down the line, because I'll still have this. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to go ahead and tap into the wires here and see how I like everything. One thing that I do like that they did was like this here. It's like Velcro. So they have it strapped into that, so you can just feed the wire through, and you could tap somewhere in this area here. So I sliced the wires. Obviously, I'd hide those too because I'm not utilizing those too. But I'm not going to get rid of them because this, just in case I want to go back and actually add them, which I probably won't, but I'm still not going to get rid of them. Slice the wires. You got the yellow for positive, black for ground. Over here you have red for power, black for ground. So normally it would come with everything inside the kit, but they did come with the, you know, the, guess those are the whatever these are called. I should have went like this. Got the wires, got that. Well, yeah, that's just whatever that is. All right, cool, whatever. So that's what it is. So those clips did work. I just thought it was the ones that connected to the with the butt connector or whatever, but they were the ones that actually smashed down or whatever to actually tap into it. So it works out great. So as you guys saw, it came on. So go ahead, I'm gonna put everything back together, and then I'm gonna step on it again and let you guys see before I finish this up. So as you guys can see, the third brake light works great. It is a Jeep part. Just a little bit of modification. You know, run a little bit of wires. You get it to work how you want it to work. It was very easy, as you guys can see. So if you guys have any questions, let me know. I'll leave the link in the description below. I do got more mods coming for the Bronco. So I'm about to take this thing to a whole nother level and hopefully motivate some people to do the same thing. So you guys have a blessed day. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, share the video.